Hello everyone, so this is second video of Mauryan Empire UPSC PYQ. So let's read the question first. According to Kautilya's Arthashastra, which of the following are correct? A person could be a slave as a result of judicial punishment. If a female slave bore her master a son, she was legally free. If a son born to a female slave was fathered by her master, the son was entitled to the legal status of the master's son. Which of the statement given above are correct? So the Mauryan topic is very high yielding because UPSC again and again asking this question. So we have to prepare notes according to the PYQ they have asked and the important areas we have to discover it. So I have made notes of it. So I will first explain you this concept, and after that we'll come back to this question again, and then we'll try to solve. Okay, so here are my notes. I have made these notes by analyzing the PYQ. So issue of slavery, this comes under the issue of slavery, which is a prominent institutions of ancient India. In chapter 3rd and 4th of Arthashastra, it is written how a slave is acquired. So the slave captured in war, like war captives, by giving judicial punishment, and also the debt bondage. If suppose a person has not paid back the debt, then it become the slave of that master. Voluntary can also become, like it is said Atma Vikray. He has sold himself to become a slave. Children born to existing slaves were considered slaves. So these all are the 4 ways that anyone can become a slave. Now we will read the process of vinumation, which means the emancipation. So if person repay the debt, then he should be freed. If the slave voluntarily emancipate that person. Another point is, it must be noted that death of master did not lead to emancipation. So this is about the institution of slavery. The institution of slavery is the hereditary. So if a slave dies, that doesn't mean that the slaves are free. Okay, and about the women slaves specifically. These are the points mentioned in the Arthashastra, that women slave could not be forced toward prostitution because it is a criminal offense. Also not for physical pleasure because it is also legal offense, and they cannot be physically assaulted. But if a slave gave birth to a child with her master, then she should be free. But in one case she shouldn't be free if women has to kept for the sustenance. But keeping this point, otherwise women could be free. So if you want to analyze in this way, we will solve the question very well. So we will come back to that question. A person could be slave as a result of judicial punishment. So this point is right. We have studied from our notes. The second part is, if a female slave bore her master, she was legally free. This is also right. And if a son born to a female slave was fathered by her master,